Hi, my name is Michael Holmes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research on YouTube. Now, my channel has over 1 million views on it, and I've produced several videos that have over 100,000 views on different channels. This video is going to show you the steps I use to do keyword research and help rank my videos. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification icon. So today is going to be a little bit meta, as I'm going to show you how I chose the topic for this video and got it to rank. Now, how do I know it's going to rank? Well, if it doesn't rank, then you probably won't be watching it. So it's kind of like if a tree falls into the forest. So if you are watching, make sure to stay till the very end because the process works. I'll also explain how to boost your ranking at the end. Today, I'll be using a brand new channel called Techrific, which is my product review channel, and it currently only has 5 subscribers. So my past success will not play a role in ranking this particular video. Make sure to subscribe to Techrific if you're interested in seeing YouTube tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ reviews, as well as other software reviews like email marketing automation. So this video started out with the topic of video SEO, and just typing that into the search box here, I can see kind of what the competition is. I will say that this Brian Dean video is doing very well. It has 382,000 views over the course of a year, and it's well produced, and I probably will not rank for the term video SEO because it has, well, Brian's channel has 125,000 subscribers. He has the first 2 slots here, and then he's followed by Sonny Lenarduzzi's channel, which has another 163,000 subscribers, and Video Influencers, which is also very big. With that said, the key is to try to think of something maybe a little bit more long tail or some alternate keywords that I can look at. I've got a better shot at ranking for. One of the ways you can do this is in the YouTube search box using the autocomplete. So you type in spacebar and then you can see some of the alternative search terms for this keyword phrase. I like a tool for this called TubeBuddy. And what this does is it takes kind of the autocomplete results and puts them here. Now I can click on these and it'll open up like separate browser windows and take me to that. But what I like is doing the command or control on the browser and clicking. That way it opens up new tabs and I can just kind of quickly open up all of them. So these are all of the autocompletes. The other thing that's useful here is it takes the tags out of each one of these videos. So like if we went into video SEO here, this panel here is all TubeBuddy stuff, and it shows all of the tags that they're using. So it takes the tags from all of these videos and kind of combines them into one dialog box here that shows the most used tags. Now I can also open these up as search terms. So now I can hit Control-Tab to kind of quickly go through these, and it'll show me some key stats here in the keyword score. I can see the search volume as well as the competition, and it will combine these 2 metrics to give me something of an overall score. So video SEO YouTube is kind of interesting because it has a large search volume and low competition, but it's kind of like an awkward phrase. I don't think that people are necessarily searching for this one. One thing that TubeBuddy doesn't do as far as the related searches is it kind of like gives you everything after the word. It doesn't do anything before the word. But you could also hit the underscore in space to see what words might come before the keyword that you're searching for. And so I played around with this a little bit and got keyword research for YouTube. I find that the video in the #1 position here is not the best video as far as following current best practices. So what's wrong with it? One, he's using the description is pitching a course, so it doesn't say it doesn't really entice you to click on it, and it's kind of wasting a lot of like kind of key real estate here in the search engine results page. And then if you click on the video itself,
but in the future we also will increase this ranking, right?
You'll see that it's just a voiceover. It doesn't actually show the person's face. And they're also using the annotations instead of cards, which is kind of like a transitional thing that older videos have annotations and newer videos need to be updated with cards. But the main downside here is that they don't get to take advantage of people clicking on this through mobile to increase the watch time and the video ranking. And then also the published date is June 3rd, 2016, which it's May 18th, 2018. So this video is now 2 years old. Seeing that over the course of about 2 years, he's gotten 87,000 views, I think that I've got a pretty good shot of outranking this particular video, and that's what I'm going to try to do. Another nice feature about TubeBuddy is that it displays all of the tags that the channel is using. You can also use the show search rankings to see which position that this channel is hitting on the search for the different tags. And I can see that he's using the keyword term keyword research followed by YouTube for most of these. So I've decided upon a keyword search term, how to do keyword research. Now the question is, like, should the longer tail be for YouTube, or how to do YouTube keyword research? So I'm just gonna punch these into the search real quick. I'll say that the search volume and competition for this one, and then try how to do YouTube keyword research, and just kind of looking at these two. And I mean, this isn't an exact science. The search volume is more for YouTube at the end, and I think it makes more sense kind of conversationally. How to do YouTube keyword research gets less search volume, but then also has less competition, so it gets a higher overall ranking. So it's from fair, 37 of 100, versus poor, which is 14 of 100. But just looking at this this older video, I think that I've got a decent shot at, if not getting in the #1 position, but maybe in the first few. I mean, the next one is a kind of a smaller channel, Creator Fundamentals. Brian G. Johnson is not talking about how to do keyword research, but more pitching products or tools to do that. I'm going to go with this particular phrase, how to do keyword research for YouTube. So the next step is going to be to write a script and to put that keyword phrase into the script, because the audio that I speak onto is translated by Google, and the captions for the video are searchable and do play a role in the search results. I've actually already said keyword research 9 times and the word YouTube 7 times, so I'm not recommending that you keyword stuff, because obviously these videos are going to be watched by a human, and if people bounce off of the video, then that hurts your ability to rank. I'll use the keyword research that I've done for the file name, and the file name for this video will be how to do keyword research for YouTube. And I'll put I'll follow Brian Dean's advice. If you had a chance to check out his video, he recommends put in brackets or parentheses. What I'll do is I'll put the year 2018 into the video title. So title, tags, and description are all going to reflect the keyword phrase that I'm targeting. Now I'm going to add one additional step, because this is a new channel and I don't have many subscribers. I'm going to throw $10 worth of ad spend on this video to get it to appear in pre-rolls. AdWords advertising is great because you can run pre-rolls based on specific channels, specific videos, as well as specific search terms. So $10 will buy me somewhere between like 200 to 1,000 views, and that way when people see the video, instead of seeing like 0 views, it'll have a view count that's more than 0, and people will be more enticed to watch it. I'll also link in this video to how to do the AdWords advertising. And then the last step is going to be what to do after you rank for a video. And what I mean by this is just to go back into your analytics once you have a successful video that's starting to gain traction. You can go to analytics, and we'll just pull up my video on how to DJ, which has a 500,000 views. And we can go to traffic sources and YouTube search. And now we can see the exact searches that people found the video. What is the average view duration? And this is great for picking up on additional topics for future videos. Once you start getting momentum with your channel, you can go through here, and maybe the video didn't address a particular topic that well. Like you could see, like the average view duration is lower. So maybe I want to do something on DJ software as a future video. So this is it's great for spotting potential keyword ideas moving forward. So keyword research is half the battle. With keyword research, you can determine what you have a shot at ranking for based on search volume and competition. To increase your chances of ranking, you want to follow best ranking practices. make an 8 to 10 minute video. It's got to be a longer video because one of the key metrics that you're judged on is your total watch time. Once a viewer reaches the end of the video, become a subject matter expert. So for this particular video, I'm going to expand on this by providing you a playlist for the software tools I'm using like TubeBuddy, and also look at some of the other YouTube tools that are available. And we'll also produce a video more geared on how to rank a video. So you can watch that video as well, and that'll increase the overall session time for this video and help it rank. So that's keyword research in a nutshell, and thanks for watching.